In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Steam games on Linux. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to play games available on Steam on any Linux-based computer. So first, I just want to make it very clear, a lot of games available on the Steam store will natively work, so you don't have to spend time looking into alternatives. To quickly check this, you have two options. You can either open the store page for a specific game and look above the price. In here, they will usually include icons for the OSs where the game works. So Baldur's Gate 3, for example, natively works for Windows and Mac. So in this case, it wouldn't work for Linux. You can also scroll down into the system requirements to double check. So this is always going to be available for any game that you access through the Steam store. You just have to look at the icon. If you see the Steam icon, this indicates that it is compatible with Linux because Steam Deck or the Steam OS is made using Linux. So if you see Windows and then the Steam icon, it means that the game is good to go. The best way to check this, instead of using the Steam store, is to go to ProtonDB. In here, users report their compatibility and you will be able to compare against your PC. So an example would be Counter-Strike 2. As you can see, for this particular game, it seems to be native support, so they usually have a rating. So this one gets gold because it runs after you do some simple tweaks. So all that you have to do is look for a specific game and your question will be answered. So you can compare the hardware that you have, the distro that people are using against yours, and if needed, set up launch options or download additional mods. So you can always open this website to check the compatibility. Now, there are other ways to run Steam on Linux as well. One of them would be through Lutris, which essentially puts all of your game launchers into one launcher to keep everything tidied up, but this isn't needed. This is optional and usually it won't give you any advantages against just using Steam natively. It's important to always keep your GPU drivers up to date as well because this can solve issues related to games not working properly when you run them on Linux. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Steam games on Linux. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.